Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the PUBG Mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PUBG Mobile game on your device, and once the game is fully loaded, you will see the various different options that you have in order to sign up or log into your account. Now, even if you don't have an account, you can use the various different methods that you see, including Facebook, Twitter, and your phone as well as email option. In order to sign up to your game, simply click on whichever option you prefer and then tap on the accept button. You will then be asked to enter your email address or your phone if you chose this method. Otherwise, you will simply be asked to log into your Facebook or allow access to your account. If prompted, you can simply tap on the continue as button on your Facebook or Twitter account, or you can enter your preferred email address or your password if you signed up using your email. And now, if you are signing up for the first time, you will be prompted to create your account and you will be able to set up your profile right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on PUBG Mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.